The question came up again for me of why do I study quantum physics and relativity? Why am I so passionate about it? On the one hand, I see it as the most powerful means for finding the truth. The truth, the fundamental truth of all that is. And why? Why is my life and my experience of the world as it is? Why is it this way? I crave explanation for everything. And then a confession. There's some pride mixed in there. And the pride is that I want to be able to discuss the search for truth with materialist type scientists. And okay. Some of those that make educational videos about quantum mechanics, and the ones that think that spiritual things are woo-woo. I want to be able to discuss the spectrum of eigenstates of the Schrödinger equation. I want to be able to discuss things in terms of Feynman path integrals. I want to be able to discuss things in terms of Lagrangians with interaction terms. And scattering amplitudes, scattering cross sections, geodesic paths, curved space-time, and yet also in terms of spirituality. I want to have it where the materialist scientist can try to dismiss me as a woo-woo guy, and then discuss with them scattering amplitudes and scattering cross sections in terms of Feynman path integrals, running coupling constants, and then have them say, oh, I thought this was some kind of a crock, but I guess this guy knows what he's talking about. Yeah. So that's pride. Yeah. I'd be very proud of myself if I could talk with these people and impress them with my knowledge of the mathematics of quantum field theory. And prove to them that a spiritual person can speak their language. So that's a confession, right? And pride, I guess we see that as egoic. And what am I feeling right now? A little bit, I'm feeling sheepish. I guess that means that I've got a little bit of shame going on. It's like, oh, I'm not so pure after all. I've got pride. I've got ego. But I guess I'm not going to let that stop me from continuing to learn space-time algebra and continuing to look closely at the Faraday tensor of electromagnetism and the bivectors and phase factors and how that gets us put together with gravity, ultimately. Because over and above the pride, I want to know as much as I can understand it in this third density world of ours. I want to know. I want to know the truth. And I want to feel the joy of learning new and profound things. I don't know. That might be pride also. Well, I guess it is what it is. I accept that about myself. And I will take these studies day by day.